top news headlines. Train services resume today after nearly 2 months. 54,000 bookings done, says Railway Ministry. India has 8 highest active cases of coronavirus in the world. And Glenmark starts clinical trials for potential COVID-19 drug in India. Good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI, giving you the latest news updates. The Indian Railways is resuming passengers train operations from Tuesday, nearly 2 months after services were stopped due to the nationwide lockdown imposed as a precautionary measure to contain the spread of COVID-19. The Railways opened booking for passenger services on Monday with 15 trains a day connecting Delhi to Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata and other big cities. Thereafter, Indian Railways shall start more spacious services on new routes, the government said in a statement. The rail network, among the world's largest, carries over 20 million people each day and is a lifeline for people living in the far-flung corners of the country. The Railways Ministry said that reservations were issued to more than 54,000 passengers, according to news agency ANI. Bookings for 15 passenger trains started from 6 p.m. on Monday, 2 hours behind the scheduled opening time. The Railways has made Arogya Setu mobile application, which helps in tracking the spread of the virus, mandatory for passengers who want to board the trains. All first AC 3-tier AC tickets for the Howrah-New Delhi train were sold within the first 10 minutes and all seats were reserved in 20 minutes, news agency PTI quoted IRCTC as saying. Coronavirus cases rise unabated across the globe with over 4 million people infected by the deadly contagion. More than 2.8 lakh people have died due to COVID-19 across the globe, while more than 1.5 million patients have recovered from the disease globally. The United States, Spain, Italy, France and UK, Turkey, Germany, Brazil, Canada, Iran and Russia are some of the top affected countries in the world besides the original COVID-19 epicenter, China. India accounts for 13 highest cases of COVID-19 infections globally. However, when it comes to the active number of coronavirus cases, India stands at the 8th spot on the global tally. Figures updated by global data tracking website Worldometer shows the Union Ministry of Health on Tuesday morning updated India's active COVID-19 cases to 46,008. Peru closely follows India at the 9th spot with respect to the number of active COVID-19 cases. As per Worldometer, the country has 68,822 total cases of coronavirus, of which 44,455 are active. According to data tracker Worldometer, the United States has the highest number of active cases of coronavirus in the world, with 10,41,814 people infected. Spain, Italy, France, Russia, the UK and Brazil are countries with the highest incidence of COVID-19 active cases globally. Germany, Iran and Canada are the countries that have more coronavirus total cases than India but fewer active cases. Germany has reported 1,72,576 total cases, of which 19,298 are active cases and over 7,600 have died, the Worldometer site shows. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals said today it has initiated clinical trials in India of antiviral drug favipiravir, seen as a potential treatment for the coronavirus disease COVID-19, for which it received approval from the country's drug regulator in April. As per a media report, Mumbai-based Glenmark said in a BSE filing the approval made it the first pharmaceutical company in India to be given the nod by the Drug Controller General of India to start trials on COVID-19 patients. Favipiravir is manufactured under the brand name ALBINA by Fujifilm Toyama Chemical Co. Limited, a subsidiary of Japan's Fujifilm Holdings Corporation, and approved for use as an anti-flu drug in the country in 2014. Glenmark said clinical trials have begun and more than 10 leading government and private hospitals in India are being enrolled for the study. It estimates the study completion by July or August this year. The company said it has successfully developed API and the formulations for the product through its in-house research and development team. Jiribam is all set to receive 1,140 stranded state natives from Chennai tomorrow. In all, 50 buses have been sent to Jiribam to bring back their returnees to Imphal. They are on the way in a special train. We have more from TOMTV team now in Jiribam.
Prior to the arrival of the train carrying 1,200 stranded Manipuris from the state of Tamil Nadu, we are here at Jiribam railway station. You can see the preparations made by Jiribam railway station. The Public Works Department of Manipur government has taken a big step in preparing all these medical screening centers. You can see the holes here. They will be screening for this thermal testing and they will be put on sales. But we are not yet confirmed that when this stranded Manipuris will be permitted to leave Jiribam for Imphal. They will be stranded here for a while, as per a report. This is Onal Samandram reporting for Times of Manipur with camera person Sana.
In yet another racist hate crime committed against the Northeast people, a group of 5 mainland Indians, including 2 men, attacked a 19-year-old Manipuri girl on the evening of May 10th in Delhi, Gurgaon. The victim, hailing from Langaul village of Manipur, told TOMTV that the incident happened on a street near the rental accommodation where she was staying. She informed that following the lifting of containment zone from the locality, the victim stepped out of the house for some purpose when the attackers had threatened her to not step out of the house. Then they attacked her with sticks. She fled the scene and rushed into a house in the vicinity. The girl added, she was injured in the attack and rushed to a nearby hospital. The victim also registered a complaint with the Northeast Helpline over the incident. An FIR has been registered at the concerned police station in this regard.
Itan tombi ngarangi kanoda incident thokibasing do adu kamaina tawbano ko pau phangbadagi phone torakpana hapetang briefly hairau ne kamai thokibanon
since my tawbane I say information phangi court learning ba khotning ba yawgadi tung tayena nungin tung tayet se hangi court ni habasida koi je ai je tung baro sai je thoki buko aduga adudagi storm horaktana ai je koi manabiyamda mayum sida changran leba Ade adu tholakpadadi aise pung 6 makhai tare 6 makhai tholakpasida ina lambi sida leiringai da moise hanai ki lambi khat leiramebo taituk nungtu pairaga aduga moina nang halu chatpa yaroi adu moi engonda yamna thina chimthira oitaba nganga da ngangakpa ade ina auntie dang kaino to bio kitang tapna na bio hai kan mare direct engonda taituk punna thomakpa ko thoma ga ina isa si kan thokna ba hodna ba da khushi su yam sokhiye aduga adu aina kanthokna ba hodna ba sida moi macha nu pa ju yauna mo nu pi ju yauna da yimi atokwa kai ju lo yauna aise moina group attack oina to weba so ba sida moina taituk sida ko ahum lok mari ra tha ba sida aise gyan ta da na aise dum tu gre tu raga moi mam na ai ko naksam se pa raga hai raga moina angon dam thina opi nei bi be tawki ba ade aise nu pa ju yawe Sida aisi kamai tawraga chelakpana ik bahap amta tabang nahaude kai kino da ik ko ta thoma bani na ise gyan koi mange hai tare
Local MLA Paunam Brozan distributed rice to the residents of Wangzing Tentha. The residents lauded Brozan for the distribution. Its household got 10 kg of rice, while children above 5 years of age got 5 kg each. People of Wangzing Tentha expressed happiness that they got sufficient amount of rice through the MLA during the COVID-19 lockdown. MLA Brozan assured that no one from his constituency would be left starving. A team led by chairman of All Kaipundai Village Authority Tamenglong District provided vegetables to the frontline workers, doctors, nurses and medical staffs of Jiribam Hospital yesterday. The items were handed over to Deputy Medical Superintendent Dr. Sudipta Dept for distribution. Dr. Sudipta Dept expressed gratitude to the village authority for providing the items. Mao Women's Business Union provided vegetables grown in Mao to United Community Manipur UCM at the latter's office in Imphal today. The items will be distributed to the people affected by the lockdown.
Tongan ba akhoi furup singa masung tamda lairiba machimano anijigi awabada taram matamda karmain torge kari charge na hangnariba wafam sina tapadi aikhoi amuk khana aikhoi tungi fajagraba adugumba khoi fajagraba se tungduju hena achet polipulama tonbangam ba olsuno habsina tamjani
COVID-19 haiba laina phattaba asi nadaba oisano Manipur asi aikhoi gi free zone oiba COVID-19 oiba gi damakta yam nungai amuk hanna phattaba laktaba oisano.
District Handlooms and Textiles Churachandpur distributed face masks to weavers in different parts of Churachandpur district yesterday. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, the Brahmapur Social Club BSC, Brahmapur Lalji Lakpa Lekai, with the assistance from the local residents, essential food items were distributed to the needy and poor households of the locality. The relief materials were distributed at the BSC ground.
Lockdown toxin kibidegi leba yam na wanariba maruina khoi gi lekai de su yam awa family me am leba ado pot sei phangdabigi pot sei tangbagi mo lak pasi dai khoina matam kuidegi khalak laba wafam ma khak haibidi khoi club na sillaga miam degi maruina mateng pangba mio singdegi puksel chaw mio singdegi paisa khar khagat naraga amadi khoina paisa khar khagat naraga miam da kar makhar mateng pangmu ngamgada en tawjabani lockdown makha chatharaga su ai khoina Makatan yen mengamna ba koi hona jagani masi kajitang miyamgi awaba sida mateng pang mengamna ba na koi Brahmapur Social Club na hona jabani.
We have short commercial break once again. Stay tuned.
Red Shopper, get local. Isagi yumdagi mapan thoktana COVID-19 sandoraktana bagi lantheng asida mateng pangbiu. Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited RIAMEI amadi Red Shopper anina kusam naraga iramdamda fangba manamasing grocery item amadi fresh meat adomodongi yumda deliver tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Aikhogi app download tawbiduna online order tawbirakpa singidamak discount pijari.
Welcome back. Bishnupur MLA Gobindas Konthausam yesterday visited the Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya in Bishnupur district, where a quarantine center for Bishnupur district has been set up. The MLA urged all to extend support to the district administration in running the quarantine center at JNB.
First time oibanina koi khara dislocation laiba ado communication da gap laina ba kona ba ma'am laiba even ai fawda communication gap ma'am laiba district authority ga district ki laiba administration ga koi laiba ado koi from time to time phamaga tana kan tholai ne aduna maduma mi masing hantharani aduga koi gi lairiba ngasa haba mi contact tongno haiba do adugi do ma ai amuka SDO side ka ai hairage mi available ohenbiyo haina 24/7 available.
The 12th Battalion of National Disaster Response Force NDRF Doimuk Arunachal Pradesh today carried out sanitization drive at BSNL office complex at Babupura and ISTB office premises at BT Road. The team sprayed discontamination solution to keep the deadly COVID-19 at bay. NDRF now stationed at Manipur Rifles will continue with the sanitization drive. Helping the poor and needy people during the ongoing nationwide lockdown and curfew, Setrigao MLA and Indrazit today extended a monetary aid of Rs 20,000 to Yumna Norant, a resident of Kongpal Chanam Lekai. On the other hand, a group of MSP DCL engineers donated Rs 50,000 to MLA Indrajit for the Setrigao Relief Fund. The MLA said that the monetary aid received today will be helpful in providing essential commodities to people amid the lockdown. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, yesterday distributed aids and appliances along with relief materials to several differently abled persons in Kwatha area of Tengnopal district. The aid was to ease some of the sufferings of differently abled persons in the region during the ongoing lockdown, the center said. Meitei Society Churachandpur today distributed rice, potatoes, dal, mustard oil and other daily essential items to the poor and needy Meitei household at Khumuzamba Meitei Lekai of Churachandpur district.
Langaki Matidigi, Mandri government in Matidigi, Lekai da Napsadigi, Adigi, Prime Minister Gari Kailan Jojanadigi, Jing Mayamadi Vidi. Adubu, Masisina, if we later light of a hand, come to the forest of the border. Yam the big problem of his office. Masisi Kara, relief whenever hide up the society to Chantuna, to Chantukin making like I say, who you see habitation, I think habitation in our district to Chantu, make a habitation. My sister, when I'm the Taka, say, Alu, Hawaii, how. Lady with assistant commodities, she said,
now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, coronavirus lockdown, Modi's fifth meeting with chief ministers held, lockdown likely to be extended beyond May 17. 50 buses flag off for Jiribam. Mao passes aid to CM Relief Fund. UCM seeks answers on NACN IM camp. Infile Free Praise. Mass evacuation plan pushes states COVID-19 testing labs to limit. Existing labs alone cannot handle the challenge to test thousands. Management of returnees may be big challenge, says Chief Minister. Transport Director flags off 50 buses for Jiribam. The People's Chronicle. Management of returnees big challenge, concedes Chief Minister. Center urged to increase testing centers, says Jayantakumar. CM Biren prioritizes enhancing food grain productivity. Manipur Mail. CM inspects Loktak Leaf irrigation system. Education Minister meets representatives of educational institutions on impact of COVID-19. Lifting and distribution continues for PDF rice under NFSA, PMGKAY and OMSS.
Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Train services resume today after nearly 2 months. 54,000 bookings done, says Railways Ministry. India has 8 highest active cases of coronavirus in the world. And Glenmark starts clinical trials for potential COVID-19 drug in India. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.